What is an OSPF virtual link? An OSPF virtual link is like a tunnel inside the OSPF network that allows two OSPF routers in different areas to talk as if they were directly connected to Area 0, the backbone area, even if they aren't physically connected. In OSPF, all non-backbone areas must connect to Area 0. But sometimes, due to network design or physical limitations, a normal direct connection isn't possible. That's where the virtual link comes in. It's a logical path through another area. Example scenario: you have Area 0 in your head office, Area 1 at a remote site, directly connected to Area 0. Area 2 connected to Area 1 but not directly to Area 0. Since OSPF rules say Area 2 must connect to Area 0, you can create a virtual link between the ABR in Area 2 and the ABR in Area 0 through Area 1. Where we can use it. When merging OSPF networks, e.g. after a company acquisition, where networks don't follow the Area 0 rule. Temporary fixes: when physical backbone connections aren't ready yet, but you still need OSPF to work. Overcoming topology limitations: in complex WANs where a direct backbone link isn't cost-effective. Connecting isolated backbone segments, making two separate Area 0 segments talk to each other. Pros. Quick fix for OSPF area connectivity issues without redesigning the network. No need for extra physical links, runs over existing OSPF paths. Keeps OSPF running during migrations or topology changes. Cons: adds complexity, troubleshooting can be harder. Not ideal long-term, better to redesign network for a proper backbone. Dependency on transit area: if that area has problems, the virtual link breaks. Can create suboptimal paths, traffic might take a longer route. For this lab, I've added Office 4, which is connected to Office 3. We created a new OSPF area, Area 2, 0.0.0.2, between Office 3 and Office 4, and OSPF adjacency is already established between them. In this video, we'll focus only on configuring a virtual link, so that the main office, Area 0, can reach the loopback IP of Office 4 as well as the Office 4 PC. Let's log into the main Office Mikrotik router and verify that it has not learned any routes from Office 4 yet. We'll first try to ping the loopback IP of Office 4 to confirm that it's currently unreachable. Then, after configuring the virtual link, we'll test again to verify that the loopback IP becomes reachable. Let's begin configuring the virtual link by logging into the Office 3 Mikrotik router. We're going to configure the virtual link so that Office 3 extends the backbone area, Area 0, connectivity to Office 4. We'll create an interface template that defines this connection as a virtual link, rather than a broadcast or point-to-point network type. Then, we'll configure Office 3 and Office 2 to establish the virtual link tunnel in order to extend Area 0. Remember, Office 3 and Office 2 are in the same area, but for the virtual link to work, we need to explicitly specify that it connects areas 0.0.0.1, with Office 3 pointing to Office 2 and vice versa. The virtual link is now configured. Let's check if the main office router has learned the routes from Office 4. We'll also test by pinging the loopback IP of Office 4 to verify connectivity. Great, we're receiving a reply, confirming that connectivity to Office 4 is successful. Notice that we haven't added the LAN subnet of Office 4 to OSPF yet. Let's add it and then test by pinging the gateway of Office 4's LAN to verify reachability. We can see that the Office 4 LAN gateway is now reachable.